Hello everyone, welcome here. It's a great super easy lecture for you to identify given number is prime number or not. So how we can define a prime number or not by using for loop? It's a super easy, very super easy. 0 and 1 are not prime numbers. Strongly remember, even I will mention here in this program. And here I'm going to taking like an initial value and a user input value, two values as a it's a I. It's not 1, it's a I. So initialization of loop and entered number user for the purpose I have taken two variables. And prime number decision like a true or false decision we need to take like a is prime or not. For bool is prime, it's a by default I'm giving as a true. Alright, two things are over. Now I want to ask a user to enter what is the number to be get a prime number. Enter a number I am requesting from the user. So user will enter the number. Now I want to make it termination over here, otherwise it will make it typical. Yes, user will enter the number and it will be assigned to this particular n. Now we need to verify user is entered 0 or 1. For this we have to specify a condition which is something like if what is this? Yes, given user number is assigned to here now 0 or either 0 or n is equal to 1. If it is user is entered either this or this, what we need to define like is prime is underscore prime equal to false, is underscore like this is the true by default we are given. If user is entered 0 or n like 1, we are defining this flag of variable statement we are updating as a false. If it is false, it won't verify and it won't give the proper message to the user. Alright, now check with loop statement. Okay, STATE, yes, check with the loop statement. For I equal to int already defined, no, I equal to 2 and I less than or equal to like what the user is given the input number by 2 and terminated divided by 2. It's a termination is not happen. And I value like 0 and 1 is not valid for prime number, so directly I am taking 2. Okay, n by 2 and what the number is given by user and by divided by 2 and I like plus incrementation of the I value. So it's done here. Oh yes, now open and end curly braces. Here we need to check whether it's a prime number or not. We need to check by 2 is happening, no. So let's check here like if one more condition like if n percentile like the percentage of n percentage of I equal to 0. If it is the true, is underscore prime equal to false. Alright, once it is false we can straight away break the statement. So means it is n is nothing but like when it is reaching to the 0 it's not a prime number. So now what happens? So identifying of if conditions of is prime, let's check here, is prime, yes, see out like a statement we can write like yes, we can also publish the what the user is entered the number. Yes, n is a prime number, else take a copy of this statement, else open and end parenthesis, paste, is not a prime number. is not a prime number. According to this condition, where it is true, it's a prime number. If it is false, we will throw as a not a prime number. Save it and run the program. Just giving me if I'm given 2, yes, is a prime number, it's a printing. And for example, if I run this program and if I given 1, it's not a prime number. We know that it's not a prime number. So whatever at the number you would like to know, 56565656, some number is given and is not a prime number. Check whatever the level, up to extent of your level, you want to check with the computer program to decide where to find out where it is a prime number or not. So see the program, 2 variables we have taken, and bool for flag changing for a variable is prime or not. So if n equal to 0, the prime value we are changing into the false. If it is a false, it's not a prime number. Straight away we can verify. And also entering into the loop user interface by 2, and this 2 is equal to 0, it will be prime number. If it is not, 2 is divided by a number, it is not a prime number. So if it is 0, it is not prime number. So it is entering inside the block. If the condition is true, it's entering inside the block, then it will be false. Now we are terminating the loop statement. And here, once the flag is verified with the using if conditions, is a prime number or is not a prime number. So how super easy to write the program. I hope it's a very simple and easy to write yourself in your way. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.